The town of Bocaue in Bulacan is known as the fireworks capital of the Philippines. From small firecrackers to high-quality fireworks used on shows, Bocaue is the go-to place to buy them. However, aside from fireworks, the town of Bocaue is also known because of a house you can literally call a glowing house. The Kotako Christmas House is a small Christmas village started by the Kotako family on their own backyard. It can be found in Barangay Bagong Bayan, Bocaue, near the Barangay Hall. It's hard to miss the said house as it is glowing because of the numerous Christmas lights and decoration that was put into it. Ranging from Christmas lights, Santas, or a smaller version of the Eiffel Tower, almost anything can be found in the Kotako Christmas House. The Christmas House is also a recommended place to visit by the citizens. According to Nell, a visitor on the Christmas House, she was happy to be back on the place after a long time.
Masaya ako ngayon kasi nakabalik uli ako dito. Taga Bocaue talaga kami ngayon. Every year naman talaga pupunta naman kami. Maliit pa tong anak ko. Ngayon na siya, grade 12 na. So ngayon masaya uli ako na nakabalik uli ako dito.
She also said that this place holds a special place in her heart as it brings back good memories from the past, especially with her family.
Pamilya, kasi doon mo mararamdaman yung pagmamahal.
Parang yung bonding ko.
Oo, bonding. Yung ayain mo mga pamilya mo, magsasama-sama kayo. Nakakamiss yung mga ganun.
Nell also told us that she recommends this place because it's a good representation of the Philippines title as the longest Christmas celebrant in the world. Truly, the Christmas season is a one-awaited time of the year as it builds happy memories that even time and aging cannot destroy.